Eto, isa ako sa mga naon nag-try nito dati.
Talaga?
Back in
2021.
One thing I can remember is that eto hindi ka talaga titigilan at as in lahat ng madadaan mo lilingunin ka.
Totoo yan.
Oh, you said matuli. And what are we talking about here?
250 easy.
Wow!
This one is the Truxton RS Chrome Edition. So basically, itong edition na to is limited. One of the first owner ng kulay na to, si Jeneline Mercado.
Kita ko, ang laki ng benta niya rito.
Nako sir, dumating sa amin nung March, 40 units of this Scrambler 400X and Speed 4, 40 units. Ubos lahat.
This is gonna be our second vlog dito sa Triumph Motorcycles Philippines Green Hills, and this time kasama natin si Sir Kenneth.
Hi.
Si Sir Kenneth, tutulungan tayo para makilala pa natin ng konti yung mga motor nila dito sa Triumph.
Yes sir.
Please say your contact information just in case may inquiry sila.
For the inquiries, please contact me at Viber 0920-635-0650. We have in-house financing, we have cash transaction. Also, we launched the anniversary promo when it comes to credit card transaction. We have program for that, exclusive for this up to this month. The transaction would be using your credit card bank, which is BPI, East West Bank, HSBC, Citibank, Union Bank, and China Bank.
Yun, that's because, if I'm not mistaken, pang 3 years yun na.
3 years with Triumph.
If you remember, unang vlog natin dito, hindi pa ganito to.
Nakita ko nga yung ginagamit nilang videos dyan sa'yo pala galing yung materials niya.
Oo, as in, ano pa to? As in, hindi pa ganito. Ibang iba pa. But anyway, so yun yung goal natin guys, ipakilala ng content. Not so much technicals because we're going to have an in-depth review naman. Yun yung gagawin na natin very soon. Siguro let's start with this muna since nandito tayo sa corner. So what are we looking at here?
This one is the Tiger GT Pro 1200. The price is 1,460,000. As you can see, naka-propeller na siya, shaft drive na po tayo. And also, it comes with different riding modes. For example, we have the rain, road, off-road, and then rider mode. Every riding modes, you have different mapping of the engine. At the same time, suspension, dampers, yung rebound and preload. So basically, when you change to riding modes, iba yung power output niya, iba rin yung traction control niya, and iba rin yung preload and damping ng mga bawat riding modes na yan. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo po, naka-ano na tayo, semi-active na suspension, adaptive na rin po tayo.
Ilang kulay ito, sir?
We have 3 colors for this one sa ngayon. Meron tayong mga bagong kulay na paranig na 1200, pero currently we have the available Snowdonia White, we have the Caspian Blue. Dalawang kulay meron tayo sa ngayon.
So ano ka Showa pala to, ano?
Showa electronic suspension. At the same time sa likuran, ganun din.
May nagamit tayo sa Ironman ito.
Oo, boss, meron. Last Ironman, ang finisher natin na 1200, may 5. Limang participants. Ano yan, combination yan ng mga owners at demo bike natin.
May owners din?
Yes.
Okay. How many bikes natin na sumali?
Sa bilang namin, nasa 12 Triumphs na pag-coordinate sa atin. Pero marami akong nakitang mga Trident owner na hindi na taga-ibang part ng Pilipinas, kaya hindi na sila nag-ano sa atin, nakipag-coordinate. Pero nandun tayo to support. We have technicians during the leg. At the same time, nandun din ako nung nasa Ilocos ako na checkpoint. Just to make sure na magkaroon ng aberya, nandun tayo to help. Kasama rin namin yung mga technician. Tsaka nasa van kami.
Okay. Well, so 1200 guys at mga karo, GT Pro. Now, move naman tayo dito sa isa na to, which I believe itong kulay na to, blue,
Yes.
It's the same with this.
Yes, sir. This one naman is kung ano lang naman kayo, gusto nyo ng adventure bike na hindi naman ganun mabubutas yung bulsa nyo, I would recommend this one because it's only 848. You can see this is the Tiger 850 Sports. Built, chassis, and engine basically are the same with the Tiger 900. Pero magkaiba sila ng tono. Power output for this one is only 85 PS. Si Tiger 900 kasi na nandun is 95 PS. So basically, unang-una ang mga main difference ng dalawa. Itong 850 kasi mapapansin mo, suspension-wise, yung suspension niya is manual adjustment. Kaya mura rin talaga yung presyo. Pero kung tatanungin niyo ko when it comes to comfortability, yung hatak, halos the same naman siya with the 900 eh. Yung feel, especially yung long ride, komportable. Yun nga lang, like the suspension, yung center stand, wala kang fog lamps, and also the quick shifter, yun yung mga nawala sa kanya. Kung bakit ganun din kababa yung price niya. At syempre, yung tono ng makina, mas powerful pa rin si Tiger 900 natin.
Mapapansin natin mukhang may significant difference, tama ba ako, in terms of weight?
Yes, also. Ito, nasa ano to eh. Ang kilograms nito nasa 206,
While this
which
one?
is this one naman is 228.
Oh, okay. So medyo malaking difference nga.
Yes.
I mean, kitang-kita naman natin, mataas to and medyo beefy siya kung ikukumpara siya dito. Pero ito, this is 848, no?
Yes. Price
Well-
for that is
And this one?
previous price nito, sir, is 1,180,000. Ngayon, since may bago na tayong Tiger 900 na 24-year model, ito kasi this is the 2023 year model, ang presyo na lang neto ngayon is 930.
Okay.
Pero previously, ang price niya talaga is 1,180,000.
Okay.
So, kung interested kayo with this particular unit, nag-iisa na lang to. So, 930 na lang ang SRP niya.
Right. Okay. So this for the 900 Tiger, no? Now, eto, anong nakikita natin dito ngayon, sir? Napakalaki.
This is the largest produced engine motorcycle na street legal. Imagine you have that 2,500 cc. Actually,
Makina ng kotse.
actually para ka naka-Fortuner dito, sir.
Right.
Etong Rocket 3 na to, dinesign talaga tong bike na to ng mga founder ng Triumph. Maybe because of siguro kasi yung design niya, and also design for long ride. Yung mag-ride ka state to state.
Okay.
Yan. Dito sa atin, pag meron ka nito, Holy Grail kasi ito eh. Pero isa ito sa mga finisher ng itong bike na to last season ng Boss Ironman. Last year.
Si Mark nagdala nito eh.
Si Mark Udulio ang nagdala. So yung pula na rocket, tinapos ni Sir Mark Udulio to. Tinapos ni Sir Mark Udulio gamit tong bike na to. So basically, ang sarap daw gamitin. Yun nga lang, pag corner mo, kailangan talaga, higaan mo talaga. Kasi tatayo ka sa lapad ng gulong niyan eh. So the power output for this one is 167. Hindi siya masyadong mabilis, no, kung mapapansin mo. 167 is what? Yung mga yung mga bike natin na 1,200 na mga ganyan lang din yung horsepower. Pero this is 2,500. So technically, ang design talaga ng bike na to, kaya siya mas malaki, to be durable when it comes to long riding.
Okay.
State to state. Ganun talaga siya. At price of 1,770,000.
Dalawa ang headlight niya. Ang lapad nito, this is what? 150?
This one is 150 and then yung likuran is 240.
Ay. It comes in two, Ito ba bago pang kulay ito?
Dalawa yung variant natin when it comes to the Rocket. We have Rocket 3 GT, which is yung pang touring, and then Rocket 3 R. Ito naman ginagamit for yung medyo sporty ka. Si GT naka front control, while si R naka mid control. And pagdating naman sa handlebars, mapapansin mo, ito mas aggressive yung positioning mo. Yung isa naman, mas mahaba yung mga handlebars natin just to design for talaga, for cruising. cruising cruiser bike.
Ano, no?
Mas mahaba, mas malapit sa rider.
Okay, okay. Anong weight nito? 322
kilos.
Wow. Wow. Pero mababa lang siya. So,
Yes.
Depende rin syempre sa skill level mo na.
Yes.
Kaya ko yan.
Kaya mo yan?
Kaya. Okay.
Susunod i-ride mo yan.
Yan. Oh. Okay, siguro, how about dito muna tayo? Medyo nahuli ako ng orange dito eh. What are we looking at here, sir?
This one is the Speed Triple 1200 RS. Kung mapapansin mo, ito yung natin, naked sports bike. When you do tracking, pwedeng-pwede to, pwedeng track bike. Yun nga lang, ang neto is manually adjustable based on your preference. Yung suspension natin na all-ins.
Okay.
At the same time, sa front suspension, ganun din tayo. Riding modes for this one na rain, road, sports, track, and then rider mode. So basically, different modes, different mapping of engine, at the same time, different traction controls.
Ilan yun? 5?
5. We have 5 for this one.
Wow. Ganda ng kulay. It comes in what? Dalawa? Ano no? Iba pala to.
Ito, we have black, sapphire black,
Mhm.
matte Baja orange, and then silver eyes.
Grabe to.
With a price tag of 1,265,000.
Kumusta to? I mean, mukhang magaan naman siya eh, no?
Yes, it's only 188 kilos. That's the wet weight that comes with the full tank na. Kung naka-full tank ka.
And that's 1,200 cc, guys. So, again, this is the Speed Triple
1200 RS.
Okay, next naman dito.
This one is the Speed Triple 1200 RR. Kung makikita mo, ito naman yung sports version natin pagdating sa 1200 na segment. Yung isa, naked. This one is the sports one. Ang price tag naman nito, 1,350,000. If you change your riding modes, it changes also the suspension kasi naka-active suspension na rin siya. Ganun din sa likuran.
Okay.
So, pag nag-sports mode ka, magiging stiff yung suspension mo sa front at the same time sa likuran, lalo na kung magta-track mode ka. Also, both bikes are keyless.
Some carbon fiber here and there, no? Dito,
Yes.
dito, yan. And it comes in two colors.
Two colors, we have what we call that, the crystal white, and then we have the red hopper storm gray.
Let me guess, mas mabenta siguro to.
Actually, yes.
Compared
Ito, mas marami.
Okay.
Racing, parang pagka sinabi mong racing, red is the #1 color.
Right. Ito nyo, pagka-triumph talaga ibang-iba. I mean, everything. Metal,
Yung build
plastics.
quality actually, sir.
Yes.
When you sit on a Triumph, masasabi mo it's a well-built bike. Any models na meron tayo. Even yung mga 400s natin, later on, papakita ko sa inyo.
Right. Makita nyo naman talaga, it speaks premium pagka-triumph. Okay, ito naman.
Ito naman, sir, ito yung middleweight natin na gusto mong mag-track or gusto mong matulin.
Okay.
At the same time na pwede mong gamitin on a daily basis. Maraming akong kliyente na gumagamit ng Street Triple RS 765. With the price tag, yung base color natin na silver, 845.
Okay. You said matulin. Siyempre, may mga top speed na mga nakagamit ito ng mga owners natin. What are we talking about here?
Top speed for this one, yung mga nagkukwento lang naman na customer.
Okay.
250 easy.
Wow! 250 guys ang mga kita nyo naman yan. Well, na-try ko. Di ba may 675 kasi dati? Diba?
Yes.
I
Pero
get
mas
you.
maganda ngayon, in-enhance nila yung mas naging lighter.
Okay.
At the same time, yung airflow, kung mapapansin mo, mas naging slick yung konti yung tank natin kung ikukumpara mo sa previous model natin. And then, siyempre, yung power output mas tumaas.
Okay. Yeah, I did try that. 675 actually dati. And super enjoy ako. We'll see kung matatry natin to this next time. But yeah, so move naman tayo dito sa mga classic bike nila and dito. Siguro sir, start tayo doon.
Sige, sir.
Eto, isa ako sa mga naon yung nag-try nito dati.
Talaga?
Back in Yeah, 21.
2021.
Yan, yan. At one thing I can remember is that ito hindi ka talaga titigilan at as in, lahat ng madadaan mo, lilingunin ka.
Totoo yan.
Yeah, with its
Kahit
sound.
babae pa yung lalaki, o babae or lalaki yung sakay,
Right.
tatanungin ka, ang ganda naman sir ng motor mo, pwede bang pabomba?
Right, right.
Mga ganon.
And even pagka, syempre, nadadaan mo yung mga kotse, kitang-kita ka eh.
Kitang-kita talaga.
So this again is the?
This is the Bonneville Bauer, one of the heritage ng Triumph. It's a heritage bike. This one is 1,085,000. It comes with matte storm gray. We have the jet black. That's the standard color. And also, meron tayong carnival red.
Ganda. Kasi mababa pa. Kaya kahit babae, pwede rin ito.
Actually, yes, sir. Tsaka
Sino yung
bruskong
reporter
brusko.
na, ano? May ganito did she have one ba?
Actually, demo bike.
Andrea.
Sinubukan ni Bernadette Reyes.
Right,
Yes.
okay. 1,085,000. Next naman, ito syempre.
Ito.
Ito maganda to. Oh.
This one is the Truxton RS Chrome Edition. So, basically, itong edition na to is limited. And also, yung production line nito, aalisin ni Triumph. So, basically, para sa akin, bukod sa limited edition na siya, isa na siya sa pinakahuling Truxton na makikita mo dito sa showroom namin. So, ilan na lang to. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, isa nito, tsaka isa nung final edition na nandun. Yung
okay.
production line kasi niya, sir, is aalisin na ni Triumph. So, basically, itong mga models ng Truxton na yun, para magiging holy grail na natin to ngayon.
Well, kaya naman, hindi magtatagal hindi na natin makikita to. So, namnamin na natin, guys. Makikita natin yung isa mamaya doon. Isa pa yun. Yan, next naman, itong nasa harap natin, this is?
This one is the Bonneville T120. Ito naman yung mga standard natin na 1200, standard cruising ride. Ito, isa sa mga, para sa akin, isa sa pinaka-komportableng motorsiklo na nagamit ko dito sa Triumph. Imagine, nag-ride ako from Green Hills going to Vigan. 8 to 9 hours rata na ride yun na hindi sumakit yung katawan ko. Actually, the price for this one is 920 for the black. And for this color, 940.
1,200.
Yes, 1,200. Standard cruiser bike. At the same time, pinaka-komportableng bike na modern classic.
Looks and syempre for its features. Okay. And ito naman, this is
Ito naman kung gusto mo ng modern classic na sporty, na may speed, ito ang tinatawag na Speed Twin 1200. So basically, yung power output nito, mapapansin mo pareha silang 1200, no? Pero power output ng isa is only 85 PS and this one is 104 PS. Kung gusto mo ng power na modern classic ang itsura, I would suggest na naked, mag-speed 1200 ka.
right, that's why. But even yung tires niya, iba eh.
Yes.
No?
Actually, track ready rin to kung tutuusin.
That's right, that's right. And medyo
Speed Twin
significant yung,
1200.
Medyo significant yung ano nila sa horsepower, ha?
Yes.
About 20, so... And this comes in, well, we have the red. Ano pa ibang kulay nito, sir?
It comes with jet black. Jet black kasi is our signature color pagdating sa mga modern classics. Ngayon, and also we have this one is the red hopper. Currently, ito lang yung available natin na color for now.
Okay, okay. While this one naman, it's a scrambler as we can see.
This one is the Scrambler 900 Stealth Edition. Ito naman edition na to is yung Stealth Edition. Kung mapapansin mo yung paint job niya, pag nasa front ka parang black, pero pag nasa side ka, ang tawag sa kanya is silver orange. So pagka nasa frontal view ka, mukha siyang black. As you pass by, nadaanan ka nito sa kalsada, pag nasa bandang likuran ka na, yan na, silver orange na siya.
Ayun, no? So, mula dito black and it's transitioning sa silver
Orange.
orange naman siya dito. Nice, nice. Special. So, magkano naman itong ganito, sir?
The price tag for this one is 860, pero yung ano natin jet black na which is the base color is only 820.
Gulong niya naka ano to?
The size for the wheels is 19
Okay.
and then sa likuran is 17.
900
Siya nga pala, yung availability for this one is for example, ang dineliver sa atin, good for 1 year lang po yung production nito. So basically kung na-deliver sa atin, tatlo lang. Technically, tatlo lang kayo sa Pilipinas meron nito.
Ayan, scrambler naman. Okay, may ano tayo din may concept ano tayo din Bike
Ito naman, ito yung tinatawag natin Custom X. Ang builder natin nito si Iron Makina ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. So basically, nakabidding siya. Bid starts at 506.
Kailan?
So this is continuous ang bidding natin. So base bike nito sir is Trident 660.
Which is yun.
Which is ito. Sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-build nitong bike na to. Even yung mga foreigner na nagpupunta dito, sobrang ganda ng craftsmanship na ginawa. Eto sir.
Kalain niya mula doon, ginawang ganito.
Yes sir.
Now, sir, since nandito tayo sa Custom X mo, pag-usapan naman natin tong base niya.
Ito naman, Trident 660. Nilaunch to since 2020,
22?
late 22. And then, yun nga, sa market tayo naging flagship pagdating sa middleweight. Tayo rin na naging flagship pagdating sa traction control system and also sa mga riding modes nung mga panahon na yun. Itong si 660 with the power output of 81 PS, hindi ka na rin mabibitin. Technically, it's a well-built bike na pwede mong pang city ride at the same time long riding. May mga kliyente rin ako nagtuturing na ginagamit to.
Anong tawag sa color na to?
This one is Sapphire Black, Triumph Racing Yellow.
Para siyang Para siyang...
Sorry, hindi pala siya Sapphire Black. Triumph Racing Yellow yung line niya. And then, anong black ba to?
Para siyang green.
Yes.
Parang yellow-green, no? So, kitang-kita siya sa gabi.
Yes, kitang-kita talaga, sir. One of the first owner ng kulay na to, si Jeneline Mercado. Miss Jeneline Mercado owns this particular color, Trident 660. Tiger na 1200 Rally Pro Edition. Kung mapapansin mo yung GT Pro, 50-50 road-oriented. Ito, kung mapapansin mo, naka-spoke wheel siya. Para sa akin, it's a 70-30. Pwede mo siyang i-off-road? Yes. 70%. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, naka-21 rims na siya. At the same time, sa likuran, naka-rims ka na rin.
Right. Rally Pro.
Rally
Kulay
Pro.
nito is...
Matte khaki green.
Okay. Matte ano?
Matte khaki.
Khaki. Medyo mataas siya, no?
Yes, sir. Kasi lalo na kung magte-trail or river crossing ka, yun yung design niya talaga na kaya tinaasan niya talaga yung ground clearance at the same time yung seat height.
Ayun nga, mataas. Yung Rally Pro ang pinakamataas. No?
Yes, sir. Pagdating sa sa seat height.
Sa seat height. Okay.
Seat height niya, sir, ito nasa 875 to 895 mm.
Okay.
20 liters tank capacity. Magbabagyo ka, may tira pa. Pababa.
And mabibili niyo to sa halagang
1,545,000.
Pero kompleto na yan eh.
Actually, yes.
Baka nang hahanapin pa. Actually, masarap magganto pagka long ride.
Oo. Yan yung pagod-pod balikan.
Oo, pwede. Yeah. Okay. Eto naman.
Ito naman yung para sa akin ito yung kapatid ni Trident 660. Kung mapapansin mo, ito yung Tiger Sports 660. Same engine with the Trident. Ang category nito para sa it's a sports touring bike. Mas positioning, in terms of positioning, mas upright yung positioning mo dito. Tapos hindi ka masyadong pagod kasi meron kang fly screen or windshield. Tapos meron tayong dalawang kulay. This one is the Snowdonia white and then yung black. Daytona 660. Ito yung bagong-bagong Daytona 660. Same engine, pero you have 3 riding modes. Yung dalawang yon, meron kang 2 riding modes, rain and road. Ito meron kang 3. So you have rain, road, and sports mode. Sports mode, dun mo makikita yung full potential ng power niya na 95 PS. Imagine, 660 pero meron kang 95 PS. Magaan.
Oh, kitang-kita. excited ako kasi ito ang isang itatry natin at i-review natin, guys, at mga kaaro. So, abangan nyo to. Super excited na ako sa ngayon. So, ito, it comes in what, how many colors and what are those?
We have 3 colors for this one. The Snowdonia white, we have the Carnival red, and then black.
Ayun.
Graphite. Graphite black.
Okay. Wala pa din ang gulong, ah. Anong gulong nito?
180.
Michelin na 180. Okay, 180/55.
180/55.
Ganda, ang ganda. 95. Tignan natin yung 95. And mabibili natin to sa halagang
549. Price starts at 549,000.
okay, and then meron din siyang tatlong riding modes. Well, 201, so hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. 201. Okay. Next, ito naman which is the same doon. I mean, kulay syempre nagkakaiba.
Pero ito talaga yung tinatawag nating Thruxton Final Edition or FE. This is a very limited stocks at the same time limited din. Pag bumili ka nito actually parang ka may diploma, meron kang certification na manggagaling kay Triumph.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Na ikaw isa sa pinakahuling nagkaroon ng Thruxton.
Okay.
Which is yung final edition.
Hindi kaya after couple of years ibabalik nila to?
Yun lang.
Di natin
Depende
alam.
sa kanila, hindi natin
Right.
alam eh.
Okay. Sayang naman, ang gandang motor nito eh.
Yes. Yun nga eh. Nung nabalita nga yun, lahat halos karamihan din. Talaga ba? Wala nang production line ng Triumph na Thruxton? Yes. Yung production line talaga yung inalis nila.
And ito, isa na lang to, no? Isang piraso ba?
Isang peraso lang to.
Ay, yan lang. Pero how much?
Swerte ng mga awardan na ito. Napakaswerte ng makakuha.
How much ito?
Wala pang presyo, sir eh.
Bakit ganun?
Yun yung inaantay namin. Kasi kadi-deliver lang din talaga nito.
Okay. Ito talaga. Yung pagkaka-green niya talagang classic
Yes.
na classic yung green niya.
Even the lines,
What do you
yung
call
ito,
this, no? Oo.
final edition, this one
Yeah.
is a hand paint talaga, yung mga lines.
Okay. Itong pinstriping niya to?
Yes, sir. Hand paint.
Oo nga.
Para siyang yung gold line edition.
Right. What do you call this, shade of green?
Competition green, yung ano na yan.
May ganun pa talaga. Hindi siya
Green.
specific na depende sa pigment or what. It's competition green.
Competition green.
Official na color. And syempre, what do we have here, sir? Syempre, classic yan dating, but anything that's talking point dito?
Actually, ito, yung characteristic ng classic na racing bike, na modern classic, you have dual gauge panel for the Bonnevilles. You have riding modes for this one. Meron ka rin traction control, switchable on and off. And also, yun nga, yung rain, road, and you have sports mode for this one.
3 modes din. And then, syempre, yung classic na...
Gas cap.
That's right. How many liters to?
Ito sir, ano lang to, nasa 17 liters.
17. Ay, swerte na makakuha.
Swerte.
Oh, Lins, syempre. Okay, well, enough for that. Next naman tayo dito. So, that right there is a Scrambler.
Scrambler 400. Cosmic yellow naman.
Cosmic?
Cosmic yellow,
Cosmic
yung
yellow.
color, ano niya.
Yan.
Same with the Stealth Edition, ito yung base ng mga color natin. You have jet black, itong cosmic yellow. Scrambler siya. Meron kang 3 riding modes then for this one. You have the off-road mode na pagka nag-off-road mode ka, tina-turn off niya yung traction control at the same time yung ABS. So basically, pagka naka-off-road mode ka, ikaw magko-control talaga ng power, torque, and everything. Kasi nga, hindi na dinidelay nung ABS at the same time nung traction control system. And syempre, meron kang rain at saka road mode.
Ang ganda, guys, of mga karo. Look at that. Naka-Metzler. Ano yung 19 sa harapan, sir?
Ito, sir, 19 sa harapan.
19, okay. Ganda ng kulay, oh.
Price is 830 for this particular color. Cosmic
830.
yellow.
Alright, next naman dito, nakita
Ito
na
yung-
natin to. This is the bobber,
The
no?
bobber. Ito naman yung carnival red natin na bobber.
Okay, so pretty much the same doon, kulay lang.
Yes, kulay lang.
Yan, ganda rin ng pula, oh. Ang ganda. Diba? And then, eto naman, Speed Twin, na meron din tayong nakita ron kanina.
Yes.
In green nga lang, which
Ito yun.
is... Ano, I was
Ito
thinking-
naman, Speed Twin na 900.
Okay.
Ito naman yung 2024 color natin. Kung mapapansin mo, halos may resemblance sila doon.
That's right.
It also is called the competition grade.
Oh yeah, parang halos pareho. Okay, ang ganda rin nito. Look at that. Actually, ito na-try ko. Blue nga lang.
Cobalt blue.
Yung blue.
before.
Yep, I did
Sarap
that.
din gamitin no?
Oo, oo.
Tsaka deep bass yung tunog ng sound.
Iba rin.
Iba.
Deep nga. Tapos medyo ano to ha? I don't know, for some reason, if it's ako o yung motor, pero tinginan ng mga chicks nito nung dala-dala ko. No, seriously, I'm not kidding.
Totoo.
I was even thinking, baka ako lang. Pero I think yung motor talaga.
Iba
Iba.
yung character niyan bike na yan.
Exactly.
Bawat bike natin, iba-ibang character. Pwede kang maging mala Tom Cruise, pwedeng maging Brad Pitt.
Exactly, Ito naman, pang ano to,
Ito.
mga dating
Ayan.
ano to, Bond.
Yan, James
Bond.
Bond.
James Bond.
Yan,
Ito.
yan, ito. Ito yung mga scramblers natin. We have the Scrambler 1200 XE. We have the Scrambler 400X. And ito yung tinatawag na Scrambler 1200 XC. Which is na mawawala na rin yung edition, yung ano na yan, variant na yan. Kasi
Ito lang.
papalitan ni Scrambler X. Yan na yung ginamit ni Sir Chris nung
Yung X.
Yes, the X, yung ginamit niya nung Boss Ironman.
Yan, tatry natin yon. Tatry natin yung X na yon. Ganda rin ito. Papansin ko, obvious, medyo malaki.
Yes, that's 21. Kung mahilig ka talaga mag-trail, na gusto mong classic yung itsura mo,
Right.
ito yung adventure bike ng mga modern classic talaga. Kasi meron din tong riding modes na rain, road, sports, off-road, off-road pro, and then rider mode.
Dami, 6 ba yun? 6?
Anim yun.
Dami mode. Okay.
Yung off-road pro, yun yung time na pwede mo siyang gamitin wet sand. Yung talagang pino na nakalubog ka sa disyerto, pwede
Right.
mo gamitin yan dyan.
Gusto mong ipagyabang sa Boracay kung...
Yan.
Pwede yan. Tapos naka-all-ins pati.
Price starts at 1 million. In this particular color, 1,205,000.
Okay, this one. Ito. Anong kulay ito?
Sandstorm. Matte Sandstorm, matte jet black.
Ito, hindi ba't pareho sila ng ano? Sa
Si Rocket,
Rocket,
actually.
no?
Ito.
Oo. Kasi iba yung nandun eh.
Yung Scrambler X, magiging iba na rin yung ganto niya. Parang ang ano nun, instrument cluster nun, para na siyang Trident. Kaya kasi kung ba't ginawa yun, to lower down yung SRP.
Balita ko, ang laki ng benta nyo rito.
Nako sir, dumating sa amin nung March, 40 units of this Scrambler 400X and Speed 4, 40 units, ubos lahat. Lahat ng dumating na allocation sa amin. So,
May parating pa naman.
May mga parating pa naman, may mga naka-line up din, so lahat mabibigyan.
Okay. So, open to for reservation, syempre.
Yes sir, open for
Magkano ba reservation nyo pala?
50,000 for the reservation ng mga 400s. For the other models natin, yung mga nakita natin kanina, 100,000 for the reservation.
Siguro madalang naman question to. Nata-transfer naman yon sa
Yes,
ibang
it's
unit.
transferable to other models or different name as long as you have authorization letter yung taong nag-reserve. And also 100% refundable, wala kaming babawasan if ever mag-refund ka.
Ito, for sure matatry natin to guys. Mga ka-ano. Ay, ganda. Lastly, ito naman syempre, the XE.
Yes, this one is the XE Chrome Edition. Ang tawag sa kanya, Chrome Edition with the Brooklyn's Green. Brooklyn Green yung
Green.
tawag sa kanya.
Saan yung green?
Etong side na to.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Ayun. Oh, man. Diyan sa kabila, meron din.
Yes.
Okay. So, syempre, yan kung saan naroon ng badge na
Brook-
nakaya. Ang ganda nito.
Brooklyn's Green. Yan. Ganda na, sir.
Ang ganda.
Kung hard trail ano ka talaga, enthusiast na gusto mong modern classic yung gamit, pwedeng-pwede to.
Okay. 21 din.
21 din. Ang difference nila ni XC, yung ano niya, suspension front suspension niya, mas mahaba yung travel nito kumpara dun sa XC. Basically, may impact yon dun sa seat height.
Okay.
Ito,
Okay.
ang seat height nito is 870, ayon 850.
Okay.
Nga pala, sa mga nagtatanong, ang seat height ng Scrambler 400X natin is 835.
835.
Ang height ko is, 5'7". So, basically, pag ima-mount mo to, ganito yung magiging itsura mo. 835.
Sa beginner mo kung hindi pa siya, medyo hindi pa siya advisable, no?
Yes.
Ang forma rin yun. Diba? Alam niya na. Pero syempre, yung version na pang city naman nito, yan po pwede
yes.
yun.
Good question. Mas mababa yung seat height nun. Yung Speed 400X natin, price starts at 299. Actually, yung lahat ng kulay pala 299. Ang seat height nun is only 790.
Okay. Yun. Well, syempre marami pa kayong dapat malaman. Well, yung mga technical details, masasagot nila yan if you go here dito sa Triumph Motorcycle Philippines. Is this the main branch?
Actually, yes, it is. This is the main branch. Ito yung unang-unang dealership din ni Triumph sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
At the same time, ito rin yung distributor dealer. Please visit Triumph Motorcycles Philippines or Triumph Green Hills, located at Ortigas Avenue, Green Hills, Tanuan.
Tapos, I believe, kasali rin kayo sa makina.
Yes, this coming April 26, 27, and 28. See you there.
Any promo na parating or
The promotion is ongoing na meron tayo is yung credit card promo na at low interest rate po every month. Actually, in fact, it's only 0.5 interest per month pag gagamit ka ng credit card.
Any credit card?
Credit card na BPI, East West Bank, HSBC, Citibank, China Bank, and Union Bank. Anim na yan.
Ang baba nun, mas mababa, di hamak na mas mababa kaysa interest ng GCash. Okay. Well, anyway, that's it guys of mga ka-araw. Thank you so much, Sir Kenneth, sa pagsama sa amin today.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. And again, we're gonna test some of these bikes very, very soon.
Please. Also nga pala, lahat ng nakita nyong models, meron tayong demo bikes for that. Please, schedule lang natin. Kung pwede nyo i-message si Sir, and at the same time ako, pwede nyo akong kontakin for the schedule of test ride.
Ayun. Again, thank you so much, Sir Kenneth.
Welcome, Sir. Salamat sa pagbisita.
See you.